Welcome to Civil Concept. Today we will learn which types of tiles are better for bedroom, kitchen, living room and bathroom. Part 1. Bedroom tiles. For bedrooms, the best choice is wooden finish vitrified tile or porcelain tile. These tiles give a warm and cozy look just like wooden flooring. For the finish, always prefer matte or satin finish. Matte and satin tiles feel comfortable underfoot, are easy to clean and are less slippery for daily use. So, for bedroom flooring, our recommended tile is matte wooden finish vitrified tile. Part 2. Kitchen tiles. For kitchen areas, the best choice is porcelain tile or vitrified tile. Kitchen tiles should be strong, durable, stain resistant and water resistant. Since oil, water and food stains are common in the kitchen, avoid very glossy and weak tiles. For the finish, matte or sugar finish is better. These finishes are easier to maintain and safer for regular kitchen use. So, for kitchen flooring, our recommended tile is matte porcelain tile. Part 3. Living room tiles. For living rooms, the best choice is glazed vitrified tile or porcelain tile. Living room tiles should look premium and should also be durable because this area has daily foot traffic. For the finish, you can choose glossy or satin finish. Glossy tiles give a rich and premium look, while satin finish gives a balanced and elegant appearance. So, for living room flooring, our recommended tile is glazed vitrified tile. Part 4. Bathroom tiles. For bathroom floors, always use anti-skid porcelain tile or anti-skid ceramic tile. Bathroom floors remain wet most of the time, so glossy tiles should not be used on the floor. For bathroom walls, glossy ceramic tile or glazed wall tile is a good option because it is easy to clean and water resistant. For the bathroom floor finish, choose matte or anti-skid finish. Also remember, wall tiles should never be used on floors because they are not designed for floor load and foot traffic. So, for bathroom, our recommended combination is anti-skid tile for floor and glossy tile for wall. In summary, bedroom, wooden matte tile. Kitchen, matte porcelain tile. Living room, glazed vitrified tile. Bathroom, anti-skid floor tile and glossy wall tile. For more house construction and interior design knowledge, follow Civil Concept.